Are you in your 50s and you're struggling, just trying to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and you're still concerned about your retirement? Well, to be honest with you, my friend, you're not alone. There's about 60% of the people that's concerned about the same things as you are today. Even myself, I was worried about this stuff for so long, and I discovered a program that's helped me out of that. I know what the economy is like nowadays. It's a struggle. The life is real. How we got to sit there and deal with the fluctuations of increases of prices every single day. So I want to share with you exactly what I'm going through every single day on how you can turn that around. It's one of the many challenges that we got to face head on every single day. And that's what's going to make it a little bit easier, knowing that there's other people just like you, but there's ways to get around it. Inside this video is the Legacy Builder program, and I want to share some information with you, what I discovered, how I truly turned my life around, and I'm getting back my time freedom, my financial freedom, because this program offers all the tools that you will ever need. And I want to pass this on to you because you can do the exact same thing. In your 50s and you're struggling, you want to get better for your life, this is where it starts, by having a community that's there to help you and get going on what you need to get going today. And as somebody that's been inside this community for a little while, I've discovered so many different tools where I've guided different people inside this community and helped get them going the same way that was guided to me. I've got the tools and the mentoring that I pass on to others to help get them going in the same process where they can learn and grow every single day and start putting money in their back pockets to get away from that financial struggle that you're dealing with on a day-to-day basis. Because again, I know what it's like. The struggle's real. I've been there and I know exactly what you're going through, my friend. So this is what this program has to offer. But before I dive in, if you're interested in what you've heard so far, put Legacy Builder in the comments below, and I'll be happy to send over the link to you and show you how to get going on this today. Number one, by using the tools that you already know, by leveraging your skills, it's very valuable to you as a beginner, because the quicker you can get leverage, the quicker you can get going on being monetized and being able to do different things online where you can start actually making more money, not just by selling the program, but by getting monetized on different platforms. There's multiple ways to make different amounts of money online. Just like myself, I started with the Legacy Builder program, but one of the things that I discovered along the way, just by the tools that I'm learning every single day, it's teaching me the skills on how to get monetized on social media platforms, how to grow my following, how to do the different things, because the tools are there. I'm learning them every single day. This is what I'm going to pass on to you guys, because everybody that comes into this opportunity, they're going to get the same set of skills, the same set of tools that I'm learning from every day. And it's helping so many different people across this platform. Why does it matter? Because it's a simple process that you can just sit there and follow, and it teaches you the skills and lets you get away from that current 9 to 5. It builds up your income. It builds up your residual income to where you can step away and actually feel comfortable at the end of the day, where you're not constantly grinding, you're not constantly struggling, worried about where your next paycheck's going to come from. That's the beauty about this right here, because once you get going as a beginner, you will be financially free long term to help you and your family down the road. Definitely having a clear plan truly helps. If you got a plan on what you want, what you're looking for out of life, that is the first start of your financial freedom. I had a plan coming into this because of the struggles that I was dealing with in my past. That's what made my vision so much better, so much stronger, because it opened things up for me and allowed me to sit there and spread my wings to learn more and not just be focused on one thing, to sit there and just dive right into one spot and be stuck. Just like you do at that 9 to 5, just like I did, because all you did is go to work, you work 40 hours a week, you're doing the same thing over and over. When you got that mindset, when you got that possibility of doing other things, you can branch out, you can get monetized, you can get going in other areas to help you grow and spread your wings, to be able to show your stuff across other platforms and to millions of people all across the world. Inside the Legacy program, you will learn all kinds of different skills on how to get a step up, how to create those different milestones that you never even thought possible. One of the things that I truly discovered, what I love about it, is the fact that where I've got a community that's here for me, that truly helps me, guides me, mentors me every single day on how to grow stronger, how to be better inside this program so I don't fail. That's what I love about this program right here, because I show up and they show up for me. I don't just show up by myself. They show up and help guide me and mentor me. That's the beauty about this opportunity, because just like any business, everybody always wants help. And I can truly say that with this right here, because I've had businesses in the past where I had to learn everything on my own. This right here, I'm learning a lot of it on my own, but I still got thousands of people inside this community that's teaching me stuff every single day. That's the true value of this right here, because you're not alone in this program. You have so much help, so much guidance to help you be a good CEO inside your own business. Establishing a strong online presence is very key to this program because, again, we're in the digital space, and the more people see your presence, the more they're going to know, like, and trust you. Just by you showing up, by you giving the tools, by you giving the information, you show up every single day for them. Why does it truly matter? For the fact that you want to do this so you can guide yourself and other people inside of this program so they can continue to learn just like you did. Because at the end of the day, we all want our time freedom. We want those moments with our family, with our loved ones. And that's what this program is doing for you every single day. It's allowing you to do that simply by following the steps, by following the guidelines on how to stay inside the platform, but get your name out there, get your face out there on these other platforms that literally shows you and people recognize you to come drawing in and actually start this program just like you did. One of the things that you have to do is you have to learn how to adapt, because in the online space, things change on a regular basis. The algorithms change with inside different platforms. The world changes on a daily. So that's one of the things about the online space. You got to learn how to adapt and overcome. As a failure, people just take things when they come to them. As a winner, when you see stuff, as a CEO, you know what's coming your way. That's what this program teaches you, how to be a CEO. So you see stuff as they're coming. You know how to adapt and overcome. As somebody that's a true beginner, you're not going to see that from the very start. The more you do this, the more beneficial that you would truly be, because that's what winners do. That's what CEO people do because of their mindset. They know what's coming and they know how to adapt and change that. One of the key factors in doing that is by learning more education. That more education that you learn from this, again, with the online space, the way it grows every single day, the more education you have, the more learning tools that you have in your back pocket. So not only for yourself, but for others as well. So you can pass on to other people that's looking to get into the online space on down the road. So you can sit there and show them the stuff that you're learning on a regular basis and inform them of the same outcome. If you sit there and grow, you sit there and learn, you will be unstoppable. You can sit there and do this day after day after day for years until you decide you just don't want to do it no more. But this program literally shows you how to get started doing that. Then you use that mindset as a CEO, how to step up your game, how to learn more to stay in the flow of what goes on in the outside world in the online space. If you're feeling like this information is truly valuable, give me a thumbs up and head on down to the description below and let me get you going on this program today and show you exactly what you can do to get started. Just by going right here in the description below, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let's go. One of the key factors is you always want to stay informed on things that are happening around you. You got to understand the marketing trends, how things are constantly changing, how things are constantly fluctuating back and forth, because the more knowledge that you have, the easier it's going to be where you can sit there and stay in a steady flow and actually keep your mindset in the right locations, not veer off to somewhere that you're not comfortable with, simply by following the process and literally keeping up with what's going on out there. But the things that I'm doing, things that I have learned, I'm staying with the flow. I'm staying with the concept. I'm staying with the progress of things that's coming into my way. So that's something that you can think about once you get going on this opportunity. Look at the stuff that's coming at you. Look at the stuff that you've already dealt with and know how to implement your ideas, know how to implement your problems exactly where you're going to be at in the next 30 days, the next 60 days or 90 days, wherever the problems may arise. They're going to help you to conquer those situations. One of the great things about this program right here is because of the tools that are inside, it teaches you how to diversify and actually get different income streams, how to multiply your income streams. One of the greatest things that I love with the online learning experience that I discovered inside this program right here, that it teaches me how to monetize social media platforms, how to sit there and build up and be an affiliate with different opportunities, because where you're out there at that regular 9-to-5 job, you're not getting these opportunities. When you come into the online space and you actually have the opportunity like this right here, that you have the tools at your fingertips, it shows you how to do these different things, how to monetize yourself and grow to get different income streams, not just from this program itself, where you have the master resale rights, but it teaches you other ways of getting income into your back pockets for long-term longevity of it. So you can sit there and have income streams in your back pocket. You got recurring bills, so why not have recurring income? It is the same situation. It helps you. So that's the beauty about this right here, the things that it will help you monetize. Anytime that you need professional help, like somebody that's got more knowledge than you, hey, feel free to ask. The opportunity is always there. Just because you struggle doesn't mean you got to give up. I've been through so much of it myself. Everybody that started this program, everybody that started in the online space, we ask questions. Why? Because we have to learn. We may not be able to find all the answers we're looking for as we search for them ourselves. A lot of people do, but not everybody. So that gives you the opportunity. Reach out for professional help, and that's one of the great things about this community, because you have the help all the time. Inside of this program, you got the mentorship every single day. You got the live interaction all the time. You got the tools that are taught to you, not only by myself and other mentors that you come in through, but the $1 million mentor of Michelle that teaches you the skills every single day by her blueprint. She comes in here and teaches you stuff every single day, how to monetize, how to grow your following, how to do all your different stuff, and be successful at your career inside this program. That's the true value of this program itself, because of the tools that you will gather and the skill set that you will incur just by following this simple blueprint, and the people that you follow and ask the questions. So reach out. That's what they're there for. The tools are there to help you. Always be consistent and stay in touch with the community. Why does it truly matter? For the fact that you have people that are like-minded, people that are just like you, that are willing to help you. Just like me. Again, I say this over and over again, but it's one of the things that truly helps me. I have people like-minded, just like myself. We got that mindset of the things that we truly want. So we are helping each other on a regular basis. We're not there to watch each other fail, but watch each other succeed in life, succeed inside this program, inside this business. For the fact you started this program by yourself doesn't mean you're going to be in it by yourself. That's what I love about this, because you got all the like-minded people, like myself, that's willing to teach you and show you the ropes, get you going, and help you be successful in everyday life in the online space, to making money and blessing other people's lives along the way. One of the key things that I truly take out of this, by getting with the like-minded people, it builds up motivation. When you're sitting there just trying to do something by yourself all the time, if you lose interest in it because you're not doing very well, that's when you start to fail. When you have a community of like-minded people and you sit there and motivate each other every day, it gives you the strength, it gives you the courage to move on and plug away and sit there and be successful in the online space. If you sit there and work for yourself, more times than not, you're going to fail, because the first couple of times that you don't succeed, you take that as a negative and you don't use those moments for your positive gain. So many people look at that as like, well, I failed at this, that I can't do it. No, you use this as a positive gain, because you only grow by your failures. And that's what I truly love about this right here, because we help each other through those hard times, those hard moments. So think about that right there. At the end of the day, when you got like-minded people, you got a community that's there to help you be successful. You're not going to be in it by yourself, my friend. The value of life is right there at your fingertips. All you got to do is look at the free information, look at the information at hand, what can truly help you, the community, the guidance. You will be very successful in the online space. Always be consistent. Always stay strong to your values. If you want something, stay true to the core. Just like myself, I started this. I never had any kind of experience in the online space. I didn't know how I was going to make it, but I knew that I wanted it. So I stayed committed. I stayed strong. I gave in to my values and started moving forward, because I know exactly what I want, what it's going to take to get there. I did not do that with everyday life before. I gave up and gave in. Biggest part of the society today, so many people do it. They just give in because that's what they're so used to. With the online space, you got to use those failures as positive gain, my friend, and help you go on to the next part of your life, the next chapter. I'm writing a whole new chapter of my book right now on my success. The failures, those days are gone. So stay committed, stay strong, do the things that you want to do, and great things will happen. Just be sure and set realistic expectations. Don't overdo it. Don't overset your boundaries, but set goals that you can achieve on a regular basis and not have to sit there and fight and struggle with it. So if you want more, take the little baby steps to get there. That's how easy it is. You got to start small to make it to the big time. If you're ready to take the next step into financial freedom, be sure to click that link below. Drop in the comments, I want my freedom, and I would be happy to send over the information and help get you going on this today, guys. Don't wait. Start building your legacy now.